दिल क्यों धक धक करता है, दिल तुझ पे ही मरता है, क्या करे मेरी जाना, हो सुनी तो दीवाने मेरा। अभी अभी मैंने ट्रेलर देखा पैड्रो पास्कर, अरशद वारसी, विक्रांत मासे, और आई थिंक इट्स अ डेब्यू ऑफ हिरानी सन. I'm assuming because Hirani is son and I have not done the research if you have been telling in the past. So राजकुमार हिरानी का नाम है बट इट्स ए प्रोडक्शन बाय राजकुमार हिराना. जो हम देखेंगे लेगेसी ऑफ राजकुमार हिराना ने रिटर्न डायरेक्टेड प्रोड्यूस एवरीथिंग बाय राजकुमार हिरानी. प्राइमरी रिटर्न एंड डायरेक्शन मुन्ना भाई, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, थ्री इडियट्स, पीके, बंकी, संजू, all of them hits. Some are critically acclaimed, some are not. That's another thing. But all of them are amazing. They follow a template. They follow a Rajkumar Hirani template, and it's amazing. मज़ा आता है. फील देखो आपको मज़ा आता है. क्रेजी सा है. बट जो प्रोडक्शन है राजकुमार हिरानी का वो भी अच्छा है. जैसे एक प्रोडक्शन मैंने देखी थी उसकी, या आप कह सकते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन वॉज साला पबुल्स. दिस वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फिल्म्स and it was amazing. And this also production, but it seems kind of a selfish production because it's not taking a route of a theater because in do's and दिन. So अपने सन को एक तरह से लॉन्च किया गया है एंड यस द नेपोटिज्म एग्जिस्ट हियर ऑफ. इट्स अ सेफ लॉन्च. ओटीटी पे देयर इज नो प्रेशर ऑफ फेलिंग एंड इट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग प्रीमिस, इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज. Pedro Pascal, and you have taken two divergent but good actors, Arshad Varsi and Vikrant Masse, and if you do good enough role, you shine. That's the whole point, I think. But I was looking forward for a Rajkumar Hirani epic movie, next movie, but it's okay. It still gave me the excitement and looking forward to it. And probably what is a series production by Rajkumar Hirani. Who wouldn't want it? And perhaps it is written by him also, but done directed. But it's not the iconic team Hirani and Abhijit Joshi. It's Hirani and someone else. That's okay. We'll take that. एंड और दो तो उनमें जो देखी है वो दोनों ही एक तरह से कंपैरिजन में चलती है. एक है धमाल 4 का ट्रेलर, एक है वेलकम टू कुचंदो का ट्रेलर. दोनों को देखे तो दोनों एक एक तरह से सिमिलर जोन पे है. कॉमेडी मूवी है, सीक्वल्स है. उनके फर्स्ट जो सीरीज में था वाज अमेजिंग. फिर डिटेरियोरेट होता गया एंड राइट नाउ व्हाट वी हैव इज व्हाट वी हैव. The thing is, problem है, I think is the comedy or the sequels. What I think is sequels, I believe the right type of sequels has to be like a Drishyam. It takes the story forward. It is not a sequel for just for the sake of sequel. अगर मैं दृश्यम 2 को कोई और नाम दे दूँ, it would not make any sense. It has to be दृश्यम. पर अगर कोई सीक्वल है ना उसे कोई और नाम देते, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेहमाई 4 का हेलकुम टू जंगल बोल दे, कास्ट वो डाल दे और उसमें हमारे और बोल दे, तो it won't change a thing. Yes, there are some characters unique, but कुछ changes में होने ना. There is no reason for it to continue for such series. और अगर धमाल में किसी को अगर लिख के बनाने ही था तो आदि को लेकर एक बैक सीरीज बनानी चाहिए जैसे जावेद जाफरी ने बोला था. And it would have been epic and amazing. So I'm looking forward to both of them, perhaps not in theaters. And जो मैं थिएटर में देखना चाहता राजकुमार हिरानी की वो OTT पे आ रही है. So kind of all going in theaters. But anyway, it's a nice ride and it enjoy both of them along with in our reading. Another two kind of similar zone movies, similar type of movies is Hey Jawani Ye Diwani, Cocktail 2. आणि तो ट्रेलर काफी आसपास आई थी. Cocktail 2 is the same way and again sequel ruining the original plot. I don't know why you made second part Cocktail के वाला कुछ को बोल दो Mocktail 1. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Why is it a Cocktail 2? I don't understand. But ठीक है, बनानी पिक्चर है जवानी तो इश्क होना है. Seems like a comedy saying David Hume last movie and all of them jazz. टेम्पलेट वो ये फिर लड़के हीरो दो हीरोइन दोनों में सिमिलरिटीज काफ़ी है. काइंड ऑफ फनी वे इसमें जा रहा है. कॉकटेल 2 ये भी फन, बीच में थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाएगा, मोनोलॉग हो जाएगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट बोथ ऑफ देम हैव इन कॉमन. एंड आई डोंट नो इस बोथ ऑफ देम में से किसी एक को भी मैं देखना चाहूँगा. पर अब जो मैं सुनने ना आ रहा हूँ जो मूवी पिक्चर में चल रही है हॉन्टेड 3D, आई वाज मोर श्योर आई डिडंट इवन नो कि नितीश कपूर के बेटा अब तक काम कर रहा है। मुझे लगा था उसकी जब स्टार्टिंग के पहले या फिर ड्रॉप हो गई कि ही विल नॉट बी इन द मूवी, बट अपेरेंटली हॉन्टेड वाज ए पुटी 2016 वोडाफोन फोनी। आई रिमेंबर हिज डांस व्हिच got वायरल। आरएम पर इतने सालों बाद सीक्वल बनने की क्या जरूरत थी, बट सरप्राइजिंगली चल रहा है। हॉन्टेड इज नॉट माय जॉनर, आई डोंट लाइक हॉन्टेड। अब भूत ही आई स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट। कॉलेज में दिखता था, मजा आता था, नॉट एनी। फ़िल्म व्हिच इज़ सरप्राइजिंगली गुड, रिव्यूज़ इस तो शायद थिएटर में देखना भी चाहिए, बट सरप्राइजिंगली मैं ही जैसे ऑडियंस जिसको मुझे पसंद आया ट्रेलर, तो मैं ही देखने नहीं जाऊँगा। इज़ अ ट्रेलर कॉल्ड मैं वापस आऊँगा। इम्तियाज़ अली, बिज़ी चौसान, नसरुद्दीन शाह, अमेजिंग कास्ट, स्टोरी इज़ अमेजिंग, म्यूज़िक इज़ अमेजिंग, स्टोरी इज़ गुड, स्टोरी इज़ सैड, स्टोरी इज़ melancholy. There's a certain toll, and perhaps I need to be in a certain state of mind to watch a movie, and that's why I can't just get up one day and go to the movie. I need to make a certain frame of mind. मुझे एक frame of mind बनाना पड़ेगा। And maybe that is the reason most of the movie folks are going for entertainment, and maybe there is an entertainment value also to this aspect, but not everyone is going for a melancholy sad type of thing. That audience is less. वो एक सा टीवी में देखो, आपके लिए कभी से देखो, मजा आ जाए। It's not a party thing. College goers, family to those born entertaining. They boom want to is sad at the end of the movie. That can be a byproduct of an entertaining movie, but it cannot be primarily the main plot of the movie. Say it might be a good movie, and not for haters need. Maybe that should have been released in OTT. I don't know. Maybe pattern past and hating आती तो काफी चलती थी because it has a funny tone to it. And people would like it. It seems entertaining. मैं वापस आऊँगा is sad, kicking the heart. And it seems the whole movie might be like that, except for the romantic part. I don't know how much portion would be of that. कितना होगा? I don't know. Maybe this movie has kept a surprise, and maybe a certain shade of it was given. Maybe Uruk will have done that. I don't know, it's Imtiaz Ali, so maybe I'll watch it in OTT and see it enough for. So these are all the movies trailers I have watched recently, and I wanted to talk about it because all of them mostly are a mixed bag, and nothing captures. What captured my attention was actually Disclosure Day and the end of the Oxford movie. Both of the Hollywood movies, and I don't know. I am not finding a partner to go and watch it. Maybe I'll watch it in a nearby theater while comes. But those two movies being interesting. I don't know how it went. I did not read the reviews. I don't want to because I like the trailer so much that I want to watch the movie. I'm certain I'll watch the movies as soon as I can, whenever I can. So take it what you will. If you want some recommendation, the other movies that I will recommend from the trailers. And if I watch something, I'll definitely make another video. Till then, tell me what are some of your trailers. What do you think about them? Should regional movie stuff is more popular? I don't know what should I watch actually. Means. What is the next movie which you're most excited about, most hyped about? From there we can take it about. Perhaps we can do experiments. I think a way to have some kind of short way of movies to have some short film by the directors. Imtiaz Ali have been based 10 short films, and the one which resonates the most can be expanded into a large film, something like that. Andhadhun was like that. There was a short film and its sex property into full blown movie after the success of the show. So maybe most writers need to take that approach. I don't know. In Nigeria, then we will have a fantastic movies back to back. I don't know if it's just me or I've grown up by मुझे इतनी सारी पता है पता नहीं, पर काफ़ी सारे movies I can see behind things, and perhaps this gives a job for them and right, and if the movie story tell hooks me and I mean engrossed. I want to get entertained. I want to get lost. I want to feel all the emotions, and I'm paying for it. You just have to make a good entertainment be, and a good trailer to back it up. It's like don't judge the book by its cover, but then judge a book by its cover, but judge a book by its trailer, and I especially do. And if it is not good, and perhaps I'll have a look at the reviews. Maybe perhaps the director is good. I know from his previous I might take a chance. If it is that, I might as well skip it. That's what trailer are for. You make a good one, be calm, make a bad one calm, we judge it harshly very sometimes. Maybe that. Maybe we shouldn't go that. Maybe just we should go and watch all the movies we can and have fun with it. লাইফ ইজ টু শর্ট টু বি টেকেন সিরিয়াসলি। See you guys. Take care.